We're gonna go get a tour of a Quailridge 39 ASL luxury park model. She's a very beautiful trailer, and it's over here at the corner in Sublet, down by the gas station. Check out them windows. This is unit number 12329. I'm liking my Facebook live feed so far. So let's go on in. We haven't had any customers yet today, but that's okay. I'll show you around. Since the last time I was in it, we added a sound bar and a TV to go along with the fireplace. We also have a Blu-ray DVD player. Sectional sofa. It's a sleeper. There's definitely a sleeper on this side. You got surround sound built in with the sound bar. You got a nice dishwasher here. Check this out. No, it's a Frigidaire pot scrubber. There you go. Throw all your dirty dishes in there and let them do the dishes. You got a big farmer sink, stainless steel faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Check out this microwave. You want to see something cool. Convection microwave, and the buttons are in the door. We're not going to cook. Let's turn on the light. There you go. Check out this stove. This is better than the stove I got at home. 5-burner range. Okay, let's check out the refrigerator. Samsung 10-year warranty. It's a bottom freezer. It has 2 drawers with a built-in ice maker. Fancy schmancy. Okay, here's the double door fridge. Everything right in your face, right where you need it. Nice big front room. I plan on selling this today, so come on by and see it. Check out this backsplash. Pretty cool backsplash. Pantry. Lots of closets. Lots of shelving. Drawers. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Lots of storage under the sink. Stools. Okay, here's what everybody asked about. There is washer dryer hookup. Yep, you can use a stackable washer dryer in here if you so desire. Heading on into the bedroom. This has a queen bed. It's got a nice pillow top mattress, as you can see. Got side tables with USB plugs. Plug your smartphone, just what you need. Take your phone to bed with you. Got a great big wardrobe. Lots of drawers and doors. This is a lift bed. It lifts up for storage underneath. Here's the more drawers. More drawers. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, the flooring. Look at the flooring. It's PVC flooring throughout the entire main floor. There's carpet in the stairs and the loft only. So here we go into the bathroom. Check this out. Nice big bathroom. You have that's a raised stool that's higher than your average stool. I don't know that they call it a handicap stool, but That's just what's in it. You have a low threshold. I don't know if you can see that, but it's shower doors, shower only, with the low threshold. Fiberglass one-piece tub surround. It's a front line tub surround. Window in the bathroom. Got your nice little vanity here. Pretty cool vanity. You got storage under the sink. You also have 3 drawers in here. Well, the last part we haven't seen yet would be the loft. So let's go check out the loft. Head up the stairs. You've got an auxiliary air conditioner to keep your guests cool. This is a half loft. It's got room for the kids to hang out, or probably enough room for 2 or 3 mattresses up there if you want to sleep, some extra sleeping. That's the entertainment center with the cable TV hookup. And there's a small closet up there for the guests. Well, that pretty well sums it up. MSRP on this trailer is $79,000. Mini blinds on every window. Let's take a look around outside, and then I'll end this video. It has a tall ceiling. It's the extended dormer. The loft is about 4 foot tall. It's what's called a flat floor loft. There is no step down into the master bedroom. A lot of people don't like the step down. At any rate, this doesn't have one. So here's what the outside looks like. It's built by Forest River. There you have it. I already did one video. This is video number 2 because I forgot to show people the loft. It's half loft, 6-foot vinyl patio door, sleeper sectional sofa, end table, dimmable lights, ceiling fan, nice big kitchen, PVC flooring throughout the entire trailer, main floor. Got a nice fireplace here, built-in fireplace with remote. I won't forget the loft, but it does have one. It's roughly half the size of the trailer. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner up there to keep it cooler. So you got 2 airs, the main one for the unit and one upstairs. Dishwasher, extra large stainless steel farm sink, single lever faucet with the pull out sprayer. Pretty cool, huh? 30-inch range. Convection microwave that's really cool. It's new. I'll have to show it to you when I get there. Prep area, cabinetry. The fridge is really souped up too. Check this out. So it's a touch screen convection microwave. Pretty dang cool. Pretty cool. That's the 5-burner range. Samsung double door fridge with ice maker. We'll check out the freezer first. It's got 2 drawers. One for ice, one for frozen goods. Open this up. Twin cooling. Movable fresh box. Humidity control. Room for plenty of goodies, and it takes plenty when you're camping. Here's a little surprise here. It's plumbed for a washer dryer. This is also a coat closet, but it does have the plumbing for a stackable washer dryer, and it will fit if you buy the right one. More pantry, double door pantry, I didn't open all these doors, but trash can. Dishwasher's really cool. All the drawer guides are ball bearing full extension drawer guides. There's your suggested retail, which I don't normally show, but I'm gonna show it anyway. 79 grand. Because it changes. That's why you don't show. Now people 10 years from now will say, I want that trailer for 79 grand. And I'll say, what trailer? Anyhow, here's the bedroom. Got charging stations, dual charging stations, and an outlet on both sides. Oop, forgot to close the door. It's got a lift bed, so there's storage under the bed. There's more closet rod, and there's shelving. The 6 drawers here are all full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you can load them up. Reach my hand in here, lift up the lift bed. There is storage underneath of it. Gotta get my hand under there. Can't do it with one hand. Well, anyhow, just take my word for it. The storage under the bed. It's boring looking under the bed anyway. So here we go. Got to see the bathroom. It's a real nice bathroom. Big vanity. Storage under the sink. Plenty of room on the commode. Glass doors on the shower. Very low threshold here. It's about a 5-inch threshold, so you can get in and out easy. And it's about a 6'9" shower height. I know the walls are 7 foot in the loft, so the ceiling is 7 foot. Got a little bit of the pan there. It's a low profile shower pan. Okay, last but not least, we got to head for the loft, so you get an idea what the loft looks like. Head up the stairs. Again, I'll mention it again. There's PVC flooring on the entire main floor. Bedroom included. No carpeting. But the only option is carpeting on the stairs and the loft. So you do have carpet in the stairs. You do have carpet in the loft. Got a couple closet there. I don't know if you want to call that a gaming console, but it's got a coax hookup. There's the extra air conditioner to make it nice and frosty cold up here. Nothing worse than having a bunch of hot kids or guests sleeping in your loft. They use it a lot for sleeping too. Saddle bar stools. I think that pretty well sums it up. I hope you had a good look. She's a pretty trailer. I only have one of them. First served, first come, first served. Come on down. Kelly Hicks Construction.